During sculpting, it can be useful to remesh your geometry. For example, after using the snake hook brush to fix stretched geometry. To preview the voxel size, press R and move the mouse. Then press Ctrl R to do a voxel remesh. Now the stretched geometry has been turned into evenly distributed faces that allow for better sculpting. In case you already had a mask, face set or vertex colors on your sculpt, you can preserve these by enabling their options in the voxel remesh option panel. Remeshing can also be useful if you want to merge separate objects. To do that, join them first in object mode with Ctrl J. Then you can remesh in Sculpt mode and smooth out the seams where they were merged.